What's up guys? People get locked out of iPhones all the time. They either forget the passcode over time or they have just bought a second-hand phone with a locked screen. In cases like this, you usually give up, reset the whole device, or you need to go to the Apple service station and you know how much time the service station will take to repair your device. Instead, you can use the dr.fone iPhone unlock tool, which is very useful. It's a quick and easy way to unlock an iPhone that's stuck at the activation lock screen. So what are all the things you need to unlock the iPhone or iPad using the dr.fone? So all you need is a data cable for the iPhone and the laptop and your phone. Dr.fone application is available for both Windows and Mac OS. So you can download this application for Windows or Mac PC from the links given in the description. So let us start the process of unlock. Step 1. Connect your iPhone or iPad to computer. Download and install dr.fone on your computer. That will take some time to download and install. Then select Unlock on the main interface. Connect your iOS device to the computer using an undamaged USB cable. After that, hit Start button to go on. Step 2. Boot your iOS device into DFU mode. Before starting, you need to put your device into DFU mode. Follow the corresponding instruction according to the model of your device. For example, if your device is iPad or iPhone 6, so these are the steps you have to do. Choose the first panel, other devices, and then click the start button. Press and hold the power button and home button together. Release the power button and keep holding the home button until your iPhone is in DFU mode. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone or iPad information. After your device enters into DFU mode, the detailed info of your device will be displayed on the program, so carefully check the options and correct them if wrong. Now click the download button after confirmation. It will take some time to download firmware online. Step 4. Start to unlock. When the downloading is done, the program will show Unlock Now and click on the Unlock Now to move forward. Now enter the number like 6 zeros to double confirm unlocking and click Unlock to start removing process. Step 5. Unlocking process completed. When the unlocking process finishes, your phone will reboot and the screen lock on your iPhone or iPad will be removed successfully. Please note the unlocking process will restore your iPhone or iPad, wiping its content, but at least you will be able to use it again and restore all your data that is downloaded into your PC and use your iPhone happily. So these are all the steps that you have to do using dr.fone application to unlock your phone and use your phone happily. To download this application, links are given in the description. So this is all about how to unlock an iPhone or iPad which is stuck or if you forgot the passcode. The only important thing to note here is that the process will not work if Find My Phone or Find My iPad was enabled on the device before it was locked. If you know the iCloud username and password of the iOS device which is locked, you can remotely disable Find My Phone for the device. You will need to do this before you begin the unlocking process with dr.fone. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel.